Hello everyone, welcome to KasturiKreation. Hope you all are doing well. Thanks a lot who have subscribed my channel and very grateful whoever watching my videos. Please let me know in the comment box what you think about my artworks. It will boost me to create more. And whoever not subscribing yet, please subscribe my channel. It will help me growing. Okay. Today I am going to guide you about the making process of ruffled poppy flowers, which are done by Mouldit Clay. I think you all love the poppy flowers. So let's jump into the video. Please stick till the end as this is going to be an amazing balanced classic stuff. This is sculpture paste. I am applying gesso and the sculpture paste for the base coat on 6 mm and 24 by 24 inch MDF board. Just press it lightly and remove it. You will get the same textured effects. Now I am roughly outlining the placements of the poppy flowers. So here is our main role player. The Mouldit Clay is getting ready to be the first poppy petal. It remains sticky in the beginning, so you can use any talcum powders or any kind of transparent oil. Then it will not stick much. I prefer to use coconut oil. These are silicone molds. You can easily get it from Amazon. Links are shared in the description box. You can check there. In the middle of the video, I have shared the mixing process of the Mouldit clay. Try to thin the petal in which extent it is possible. Only then we could get the more realistic look. I am attaching now all the petals one by one with the help of fevicryl. Push any kind of silicone mold or any plastic items wherever you want to give the folds into the petal. I always like to make do with jugaad. Second layering of petals. This is quite a bit tricky to handle these petals as most of the petals are 2 to 2.5 inch long, but with proper guidance we can easily tackle it. When the petals are getting dried after an hour, I am removing all the items from the petals. You should know how to prepare the clay. These are 2 parts of Mouldit clay. Take equal amount of both parts. Try to mix them in this way. After mixing done, you should take only those amount which you are going to use. And the remaining part you should cover with cellophane paper bag. Otherwise, it's going to start drying after half an hour, because it is one kind of air dry clay. It will become so hard you could not be able to make anything from it. I think you must get my all points clearly and you understand the process by watching the video. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box. By rolling the pen inwardly, I just want to give the petal forward bending. After curing, please detach all the staffs from the petals. See how beautifully they have been taken their perfect looks. This is golden mica dust pigments. It will stick much better if we apply it when the clay will remain in its raw form. We don't need to apply any other adhesive for this. By adding the water, thin the fevicryl and apply it. These are golden foils, sticking them one by one. I think white and gold are timeless and elegant color combination. Do you think so? This classic combination is one of my favorites. At the end, I have painted the remaining petals with the 24 karat liquid gold and have sprayed the fixative spray for fixing the colors. Hope you all love this classic art piece. I wish I could help any one of you, and this will be my successful target. Please like and share my videos, that's how I could reach my targeted audience. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.